Is your morning routine making you rush? Let AI tools bring you a peaceful start. First up, ChatGPT. This AI assistant drafts lesson plans, emails, and activity ideas in seconds. Need a 30-minute history lesson on ancient Egypt? Done. Next, Google Bard or Microsoft Edge Copilot. They summarize articles and explain complex topics quickly, saving you from endless searches. No more information overload? Third, Canva for education. Design stunning teaching materials with ease using their AI-powered suggestions. Perfect slides and trackers in minutes. Fourth, EdPuzzle with AI question generator. Turn any video into an interactive lesson. Upload, review, and share. So simple. Lastly, Wakelet. Organize resources and get AI-suggested content. All your teaching materials in one place. Combine these tools to supercharge your mornings and focus on what matters, your students. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips in the classroom.